Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of SQL. What is dynamic SQL and SQL injection? Dynamic SQL is a technique which is used to create and execute TSQL statements with programs, which includes statements created in applications by using C, C++ or any other programming language, and executing them by using the sp underscore execute SQL stored procedure or the execute statement in SQL Server. SQL injection takes place when a hacker or any random person pushes malicious data which can change the semantics of the intended SQL generated by us, which affects the way it can be interpreted in the system. Basically, they can run commands like grant control to access the system. Many candidates can say that we can use sp underscore execute SQL to prevent this problem, but this store procedure only helps us in creating a parameterized query, and we need to use it very carefully. Therefore, we can try data validation and escape the input methods. To elaborate it, we should always focus on getting a valid input, and for input escaping, we can rely on quote name. What are the differences and similarities between full outer join and union? We use both to combine data from different tables. Full outer join combines data into new columns, whereas union combines data into new rows. How to get top percent in SQL Server? So the syntax could be select top and the value percent asterisk from the name of table, where the n can be 1, 2, 3 or any number. For example, if we want to get top 11, so we can use select top 11, then top 11% from employee table, and we are ordering it by salary in descending order. How to handle nulls in SQL? So we can use isNull function of SQL Server. It has two parameters, the expression and replacement value. So say if we have a function isNull with null and 381, so it will replace null values with 381. For example, select employee ID, then isNull employee salary. If it is null, then what will happen? 99 will be added as employee salary from employee table. When to do denormalization in database? Basically, normalized databases involve multiple tables. They reduce the redundancy and maintain the data integrity. But at times, they can slow down the SQL queries. So, if queries are running too slow, it is advised to denormalize to a certain extent. So these were quite a few interview questions. I hope you have understood them, and in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.